you say? Appreciate everybody stopping by, liking the videos, all that stuff. It's freaking crazy how it's like 700,000, 10,000, 5,000. So many people come in and watch. So I appreciate all the love and support. At 1,000 subs, I'm just gonna be giving away a 6266 turbo. It's the one that was previously on this car. I'm gonna do a full rebuild on it, document it, and just give it away. So it's my thanks for subbing, for sticking around, commenting, showing off your builds in the comments as well. And all you have to do to win that, obviously, is be subbed and then follow my Instagram. Those two things. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll do a rebuild series on that turbo. The only reason I'm not running on this, my head, I don't have a built head, so yeah, it's not enjoyable for back roads for me. The biggest turbo I'm going to go with this is a 3071, but 6266 has been sitting upstairs in my little man cave for almost a year now, and my fiance wants it gone because it does leak oil out of the drain because it's not plugged. So, and it leaked all over our furniture. So yeah, I'm gonna give it away 1,000 subs. So yeah, make sure you're subbed and you're following my Instagram, and we can give this away. So we're gonna jump into the big break upgrade right now. RS Brembos. It should take no time at all. Super easy. All the parts will be linked in the description, and a tutorial where I got this from also in the description. Cool. See ya. How's it going, dudes? So today, we're gonna skip around a little bit. I might do some voiceovers. I am pretty sick still. It's only the next week, but yeah, what we're gonna be doing is RS Brembo conversion. Now, I already have one in, and we'll skip around. I have no wheels for the car right now because they're off getting powder coated with a new look. So yeah, this is what they look like. And honestly, it was a super easy install. It was the only trouble I had was taking the hard line out for the brake line, and it's an 11 mil, and it's just annoying because it spins. But other than that, it's really not that bad. It took maybe an hour, and my rotor was pretty seized. As you can see, the back of it, it was pretty bad. And then this is my old brakes. So, yeah. Lost minimal fluid. I was due for a change anyways, so, I had to do it. But yeah, as far as the actual install goes and taking things off, this car's a little rusty. Just look at this rear. That's got to change. That's terrible. But, yeah, it wasn't that bad, honestly. It was super quick, and maybe an hour and a half, because I had to get that off with not this, but a sledgehammer. But all in all, for the bolts and everything, it's really not bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump to the other side and just time lapse a bunch of stuff at the end, and then yeah, and these are gonna be so much better for brake changes. Honestly, I'm pretty excited. But as far as a parts list goes, I can link the parts list in the description, and also that parts list will include where I got everything, the total cost, and then also link a video of where I got this from. So, and he does a full walkthrough. So I'm not doing a full walkthrough because, yeah, I'm not about that. But yeah, it'll basically come with everything you need. It says $600. The prices kind of got jacked up a little bit, but all in all, I think it's under $700 for a big brake kit for Brembos. Honestly, You really can't beat that price. So yeah, we have these fronts on. I'm gonna go swing around to the other side and get the other side done. Hopefully I'll have wheels done by the end of today so I can throw them on and test fit to see if they fit. If they don't, I guess I'm spacing using a spacer, but yeah, that's for the wheels. The only modification that you're gonna have to have is I just took mine off. I took a little brake shielding. I took this off. Rocks and stuff like that get in it for me, and I don't drive the car in the winter, so yeah. But if you do, you just need to cut off a little bit. In that video, I'll link in the description. Goes over a tutorial if you really need it. But it's just a basic caliper change. It's super quick. But I'm gonna try to get the other side done before it gets dark. So I'm gonna hop over there and I'll time lapse everything so you guys can see. All right, that's now bolted, and we're on. Perfect, sweet. Now we have to take this off, and this is your hard line. I suggest leaving that retainer clip in there until you get that nut loosened. So crack it loose, just ever so slightly loose. Once that's loose, like a little bit, crack it just a little bit tighter so the fluid stops coming out. Then we'll pull the retaining clip out. Then we'll loosen this up all the way, and then we'll connect our new line. So we're gonna connect the Brembo line from here and soft run it up, so when we swap these lines, we lose like no fluid. Hope you guys can see up in here. I'll probably be in the way most of the time. We're gonna connect this side into our Brembo. It should just thread in perfectly. All right. Now, this is loose. So you see, I can spin it. Now we're going to take some vices. We'll pull this clip out. Well, that wasn't tight at all, and I just slammed my finger against my brake. That felt wonderful in the cold. Come on, baby. I'm not getting hung up on this fucking thing. There we go. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Maybe like a hair tighter. Get out of there. Just gonna use this and pry a little bit. Oh my. I felt like my hand just got cut off. Oh, jeez. That's like a ringing sensation. I feel like I don't even have full access to my hand. Oh, you son of a gun, you. Just, everything's so rusty on this car, which is crazy because I've owned it for like 3 years. And it's never been out in the freaking snow. I don't even think it's been out in the salt. To be real with you. I don't know why. I'm out here fucking busting knuckle. There we go. The fucking clip is off. So now I'm gonna take this off by hand. We're gonna lose a little bit of fluid. But that's life. I put my finger on the top. I want this to seep in there. Oh, you bitch. Okay. Oh, my hand's cramping. My lady hands. I got soft hands. There we go. I mean, I don't even think I have one drop on the ground. So, you know what? I'll take that. So, damn, I want to put this clip back in, but this thing is just hammered. Where did I? Oh, it's up. It's up top. God damn it. All right. Let me tighten everything up. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Okay, cool. So let me get this bolt. Drive that in. 8mm. Okay. 8mm. All right. Yeah. All right. So it is installed. Already on. So now what we have to do, if everything is good, we can slide this fucking old caliper out of the way and we can put in our brakes. Well, 221. And it's on. It's beautiful. Install is done. Truly, actually wasn't that bad. I've had way worse installs. That was just like, I have to service my brakes install. So I am not mad with that install. whatsoever. I'm pretty sized. I am, yeah, they look amazing. Holy crap. What an upgrade. Now, I do need to bleed my brakes, but it is just me. And I don't have a brake. I just had a stroke. Bleeder. Jeez, man. So I'm gonna wait till I get my wheels back from paint and make sure those fit. But we lost minimal fluid, which is beautiful, just because, you know, no one likes to refill and do all that shit. But we lost minimum fluid, and yeah, it was about 2 hours in total to get this done. I am super sized, super happy with it. And for under $700, full Brembos for back roads, this is going to be super fun, super useful. So, yeah. And the next video, we'll probably bleed the brakes, and then I'll do my new color on my wheel. If you follow my Instagram, then you'll know what color they all are ready, or what the colors I put up, the polls. So, yeah, if you're not, go follow it. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because this shit isn't free and I spend a lot of money to let you guys know if doing shit like this is worth it or not. So, you know, learn from my mistakes, but also drop a follow, please. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's it. Peace out.